When we look at most newspaper archives today, they appear to be carefully preserved as scanned PDFs, static images, or laminated copies. However, the moment you try to use them, you realize the information inside is effectively sealed away. Now yes, the OCR-based archive system did move the needle by converting old print into digital text. But the process ends at just recognizing characters and turning them into machine-readable data. It struggles when newspaper layouts shift, when articles continue beyond the first column, or when formats or languages change. It does not even incorporate image, text, or story context. Digital Archive by Scry AI brings structure, intelligence, and context interpretation to convert archives into usable assets. Instead of treating scanned editions as flat images, it applies AI-powered optical character recognition and natural language processing to understand how the content is structured. It recognizes how articles move across columns and pages, how visuals relate to headlines, and how each story relates within a broader narrative. Digital Archive handles real-world variations such as faded ink, uneven layouts, different formats and languages using trained AI models. It extracts content with high accuracy, and once the data is captured, NLP and ML models interpret what each piece of content is actually about. When stories stretch across multiple pages, the system follows them, reconstructs them, and preserves the original editorial intent so the complete story can be read as one continuous piece. Each article is indexed by topic, people, events, dates, and themes. And every scanned page becomes structured, searchable, and connected to related content. Editorial content is also separated from ads and surrounding noise. This allows teams to search decade-old news archives by topic, person, or event. Moreover, with Digital Archive, researchers can trace stories across years and publishers can repurpose content for new formats and channels. Preserve decade-old newspapers with Digital Archive that uses augmented AI, advanced OCR, and NLP. Email us on getstarted@scryai.com to learn more.